All right, Phil Ebner here with videoschoolonline.com, and I am excited to announce the winner of our giveaway, the 75,000 subscriber giveaway. Since last week, we've had over 1,000 new people subscribe, which is awesome. And a lot of you took part. A lot of you might be brand new to this channel, taking part in our giveaway with over $2,000 in prizes, including an HD webcam, a great USB microphone, a LED light, and lifetime subscription to all of the Video School Online classes. So there's complete transparency. I'm on the back end of Gleam.io where I was holding the little giveaway. And so what I have to do now, as you can see, these are the total number of entries. So almost 10,000 entries. That's not different people that entered, but different ways that people entered. And we go to the winners tab. And here I get to draw the winners. So I'm going to go ahead and click this button to see who wins. It's totally randomized, so I have no clue how this is actually going to work. This is my first time. We're going to draw one winner. Yes. Alrighty. Drawing. Dun, 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 dun. Awesome. Reese Morgan from the UK, Birmingham. You have won this giveaway. Thank you so much for taking part. I'm going to be connecting with you to make sure that you get your prizes in the near future, and I'll probably send an email by the time this video is uploaded to YouTube. So for everyone who took part, thank you so much. Sorry you didn't win, but I will be having more giveaways like this in the future. If you like, send me a comment below and let me know if this was a good idea, if you thought this was good, if I should do more, and maybe when we hit 100K, we'll have an even better prize. So anyways, thanks so much for taking part. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in another video. Bye.